everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? It's a beautiful weather out and we are bringing you one of our bespoke tutorials. We're walking you through how we made one of ours. So we call this Lolita. Yeah, we've made this for quite a while now, but we just didn't bring it out. But yeah, somebody asked, and so here it is. Okay, so what did we do here? I'll talk us through it in a second. Before that, I want to walk us through how you can reach us. So yeah, Makisode YouTube channel, that's who we are. Do well to subscribe. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos, inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet. We walk you through how we made one of our bespoke pieces. We demystify what one celebrity or another wore. We walk through patterns, we modify patterns, we create new patterns, and then we everything crochet you can find all up on our channel. So do well to subscribe. We have our galleries up on Instagram, right? Our wedding day apparel, you can find those at Makisode Weddings. And then our casuals, corporates, accessories, and other items, you can find those at Makisode Models. Do well to follow, do well to like, do well to leave a nice comment, and do well to share our content. We really love that. So yeah, let's come back here. What did we do here? So corset cups. Yep, corset cups. A lot of you are familiar with this. I know a lot of people love this style, so we decided to use it on one of our garments. All right, so corset cups. If you do not know how to work, then I'm going to be talking you through it in second. Okay, so let me pick up a biro, because just in case I need to do any illustrations, I would have something close by to work the illustrations. Okay, so yeah, paper right here. Okay, so yeah, corset cups. How do we work this? Now notice this part right here is the part one. You see this oval? That oval right there, that's part one. So, and if you notice, if you're familiar with crochet, you'd notice that we walked to the center, we increased. Let's say you started with about two single crochet stitches. You increase all the way till you have about, I don't know if this is up to, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Increase to about 12. That is for this particular size, because your cup size is that the cup size you're creating for is very necessary. From this point to that point, it has to accommodate the cup size. All right, so you're going to be needing either the a bra of that size, or you actually take the body measurement to determine what this height is, as in from all the way from here to there. So that's how this works, first of all, right? So you work this oblong, this oval right here. After working this oval, right, you edge it with in whatever other color, because the corset cup has to show. See how it shows? We use the black to demonstrate the cup right here. So you're going to have to edge that using a different color, a distinct color, and then place it aside. Then walk up. See this part right here? This part right here is it's maintain the number of whatever number of rows you had here. So let's say 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22, and I think this is the 24 right here. So you're going to be working 24 stitches, single crochet stitches upward. This part this part lifts, gives the boob a proper cover, right? So here you probably had covered up to the nipple area, but here gives it some extra covering. All right, and then line that all up in the color of your choosing to make it distinct. Remember that the whole essence of corsetting is to make this thing a little make it really, really distinct. Okay, so cup done. You do the same. You do make that two of them, right, and place it aside. Now to create this top part, you realize that when you place the cups side by side, see the cup here, I had to take out the padding so that you could see this clearly. So you notice that see this curve right here, you have to create something right there that will cover up this space. And remember that you worked essentially, call it increases that way. That means there's going to be decreases this way. Yeah, so the increases this way, there were decreases the other way. So yeah, for this middle part between the breasts, between the two cups, What you're going to have to do is work, yeah, either you walk from the top to the bottom or you walk from the bottom to the top. If you're walking from the bottom to the top, it means you would have found out whatever number of stitches you require to get from here to there, and chain that, double single crochet up, right, single crochet up, and then keep reducing until you get to this height. Either that or you work it the other way around, meaning you probably start with 2 single crochet stitches and then increase as you go along until you achieve whatever number of stitches you need to achieve here. That is a piece. Now all of these pieces you're gonna have to sew them together to the cups when you're done. You're going to have to do the same for the side of the cup, right? You notice that this curve is also here, so the same thing applies. But this time around, rather than increasing on both sides, you're going to be increasing on only this side, because this side needs to stay straight, as you can see. So it stays straight here, so you only increase on one side to achieve this length, right, and this width at the end of the day. So width here, length here is the number of rows, and then width here is the number of stitches you're going to have to be increasing. You do the same for this other side, and then join all these front pieces together before I worked the back. So after joining all them pieces, stitch per stitch, yeah, you did that, and then you create a unifying row. Something has to unify all of them. This piece right here, the cup right here, this piece right here, this cup and this piece. Something has to unify them, which is what we did here. So we worked 2 rows of that to unify all of these pieces before we now worked the back. The back, we used the rib stitch. We used the rib stitch because we wanted something that could stretch, to accommodate the wearing, and then snap back after the wearing. So we used this stitch. You attach your hook anywhere on this piece that you've already joined all together. Create your very first row of single crochet stitches, and then in back loops only create these rows. We create these rows all the way to here before you join it up together. Remember, your measurement matters, right? You've measured your cups, yeah, between the cups you've measured this part, and so you know that around the body, around that bust area, whatever measurements it is, after you have worked up, taking into consideration all of these other parts, what is left is what you're going to be working your rib stitches into. So that's it. When you're done with all that, of course, a unifying row, you have to unify, and we used this color to unify the row, as you can see. So that's about it for this other part, yeah, for the corset part. So what did we do? The lower part of the dress is, we call it a handkerchief style, or you call it a peplum style. What happened is that we gave it tails in 4 different places. So 4 tails. One was in front, right here. This is the front, yeah, there. So the increases, 1 increase here in middle of the front, 1 increase here at the side, another increase at this other side, and another increase at the back. So steady increases every row, yeah, for us to obtain this beautiful handkerchief like I don't know what else to call it, peplum look, right? So we have that dip in 4 different places, as you can see in the pictures preceding this tutorial. So now to the actual working of the increases, what did we do? We use V stitches, right, to keep it simple. Yeah, this particular part of the dress, we really kept it simple. So V stitches, right, double crochet V stitches. We worked that for 4 rows, and then we worked our hounds V stitch in the 5th row, another 4 rows of double crochet V stitches, and then a row of the hounds V stitch right there, 4 rows of double crochet V stitches, a row of the hounds V, just like that. We kept repeating that, 4 rows of the normal V and double crochet V stitches, and then 1 row of the hounds V stitch, right? We did that for the length that we wanted. Now if you wanted to get all the way to the ankle, you have to continue walking that way all the way to the ankle. If you wanted it to be a top, you would have stopped once you have gotten the particular length that you desire. So that's it. It's really simple to work. You can modify this if you want. You can alternate your double crochet V's and your hounds V, every other row. Yeah, one row V, one row hounds, one row V, one row hounds, like that. But that's not what we did. We did something different. So you can always remember that crochet, play around with it, do what suits you. And then yeah, edging, we edged with single crochet stitches and sorry, with chains and single crochet stitches as usual. So that's it. Everything comes together. You can we still have stragglers right here, as you can see. So everything comes together. You can put in your pad right there into the cup, sew in your pad into the cup, and then that's about it. So yeah, is there any part of this? If you notice, we had did a play on colors, as you can see. We started from a burnt orange, yellow to cream, and then to off-white. That's what we did. So you can choose to keep it all plain. You can choose to work all of this all plain and just you remember to highlight with something bolder, a bolder color. All right. So yeah, let us know, is there any part of this tutorial or the explanations that were not quite clear? Ask us in the comments and we would be explicit with the response. And then yeah, on the other hand, as usual, you love the dress, you don't have the time or the crochet skill level to work it, also let us know and we will do it for you for a token. Oh yes, we'll work it for you for a token, so do let us know also. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe